Google TV boxes are usually simple, no-frills streamers. But Acer just dropped one that looks very different. Instead of fewer ports, it gives you all the ports, 7 of them. It's got more connectivity than some laptops. So today we're breaking it down, what it offers, how it stacks up against Amazon's top-tier streaming stick, the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and the popular budget-friendly On 4K Plus, and whether Acer just built the best streamer of 2025. Let's start with the headline feature, ports. Now the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, it has HDMI and power, and that's it. The On 4K Plus, well, it has one USB-C for power, an HDMI, and that's about it. But Acer's brand new box, get ready for this, it has one USB-A, two USB-C, one for power and one for data, HDMI, Ethernet, microSD, and even optical audio for older sound systems. That's 7 ports in total. For anyone tired of dongles and adapters, this box could be a dream. So a quick question for you, do you actually use external storage, wired Ethernet or older audio gear with your streaming box? Or are you fine with just Wi-Fi and built-in storage? Drop your answer below, I'd love to see where you are all on this. Inside, Acer packs in an Amlogic S90 5X5M processor, Wi-Fi 6 and Mali G310 graphics. Now the RAM is a bit of a mystery, 2 gigs it says on some spec sheets or 3 gigs on others. But either way, it's not mind-blowing in 2025. But storage is where Acer wins. 32 gigabytes are built in. Compare that to the Fire TV Stick 4K Max and the On 4K Plus, both of which have 16 gigabytes. The Google TV Streamer 4K comes in with 32 gigabytes as well, but at a higher price. And since we're talking about streaming devices, protecting your connection when using any device is just smart. I use NordVPN, which not only locks down your privacy, but also opens up more content worldwide. There's a link below for a big discount plus 4 free bonus months, and it supports the channel directly. So where does this fit? The On 4K Plus is the bargain champion, about $30, but with fewer features. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max runs in at around $60 with strong performance. Now Acer's new box is expected to be around $85, priced in the middle, offering ports and storage the others don't. And the Google TV Streamer 4K, well, that one's closer to $100, aimed at people who want the official Google experience at a premium. So Acer sits right between Amazon and Google with its own twist. Now, early community reactions are split. On Reddit, one user said, "I got my hopes up for a higher-end device, then I saw the specs." Others are impressed with the ports and think Acer nailed the flexibility angle. And some are just shocked that Acer even bothered to make a streaming box in 2025. There is one catch though. It's only available in South Africa right now, and that's unusual for a mainstream streamer. This could be a test launch before going global. We'll just have to wait and see if Acer rolls this out worldwide. My take on this new box from Acer is, well, I don't think they are trying to beat the Fire TV Stick 4K Max in raw speed, and it's not trying to undercut on price. It's carving out a new lane, a budget-friendly box with actual expandability. And in a sea of simple dongles, that does make it stand out. So here's the bottom line. If you're on a strict budget, the On 4K Plus still wins. If you want speed and polish, the Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the one to beat. But if you need extra storage and love the idea of real ports, Acer's Google TV box might just be the best middle ground. Would you buy this over the Fire TV Stick 4K Max or the On 4K Plus if it launched near you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, get subscribed and ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. And if you want more, join the channel members group. That gets you into a private help community, plus behind the scenes tips and fixes I don't share anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.